Once again, this is Robin from City Sewing in New York, www.citysewing.com. This time I have another machine here. This is a Willcox and Gibbs machine. This one I'm gonna rebuild completely. So this one, came already just from the painting shop. You know, we send that in to be painted. They put it in the oven and they heat it up so where the paint sticks really good to it. So I'm gonna show you now how the machine looks like before we start working on it. The machine came from the painting shop. It's all painted. You know, they cover whatever, you know, needs to go, the oil, so that it doesn't damage anything and everything. It's nice paint, you know. I have all the parts on the drawer over there. I'm gonna go and put it together. All the parts that are gonna go with this machine. As you can see, this machine is gonna be put together now. Here's all the parts already been polished, already been oiled. So once oiling and clean and polished, I'm gonna start installing this machine step by step. As you can see, I'm on the process of installing the parts. I already put in the needle bar. It's the first thing I do. I put in the needle bar, but you know, once I put the needle bar, I keep turning. I never stop turning because I don't want anything to get tight. As you can see, the machine keeps running. Now I'm installing the foot bar, making sure everything works fine. Now I'm gonna install my hand lifter. I'm gonna install now my hand lifter. What I want with that is want to make sure that the hand lifter is working perfectly fine, that there's no problems with it. You know, when the customer gets the machine in, you know, it should be able to do it by hand without an issue. So I'm going to install now the hand lifter. Sorry. I'm now installing the hand lifter. So I'll make sure that I tighten everything. You know, I try one by one all the parts that I install. I make sure that I try it. My foot bar is going up and down easy. As you can see, when I lift it up, my needle bar is working perfectly fine. You know, I keep putting oil on it because I want to make sure that everything is nice and free inside the machine. You got to make sure that this machine is completely free. You know, before we send that into the customer, we make sure we clean it, we dry it, just a little bit of, just leaving that little bit of oil so that the machine, it's free when it gets there. Okay, but right now everything is turning perfectly fine. There's no checking here. There's no loose parts, anything. Everything is tight. Everything is nice. So I'm continue installing all the parts. Now I have this is the foot, the feed dog holder. I'm gonna put this on now. Well, if you could see now, this machine is pretty much complete. Right now, it's you have the foot, you have the needle bar, you have the tension sets. Everything is set up, everything is installed now. Mostly 99% complete. The only thing is missing is the gauge. I'm gonna put it one here now. Unfortunately, with these machines, you know, these gauges right here, you know, I mean, this is it. I can't promise to have them for much longer. Whatever I have left over, that's it. You know, we can't. I don't know if anybody knows, has parts for these machines, let me know. I'll buy them all. If you have parts for this machine, let me know. I will take them all. But as far now, this is it. Whatever I have left, that's it. I can't get it anymore. There's nothing left anymore. I'm gonna see if I can install this one in here. But that's it. You can't really do much about these. You know, they don't have any more parts. So unfortunately, this is what it is. Okay. Here's the machine. Now I'm gonna make some samples on it. Look at that. Look at that stitch. Beautiful. Perfect. Stitch on it. It's perfect. Perfect stitch. Beautiful. Here's the machine now. I just finished it. You know, I put the sample on it already. It looks nice. Stitching is great. Beautiful stitching the inside. Couple of decals on it too. This one is ready to go. Here's the machine now. It's finished. I already put some decals on it. You know, I'm gonna let it sit down so it dries a little more, and then we'll send it out to the customer.